So guys, welcome back. It's your boy Daniel Anthony, and in today's video I want to share with you some strategy that you can actually implement to make money online. I'll be focusing mainly on two strategies, or I'll be focusing mainly on two aspects or two methods that can actually help you make money online. But before I proceed, it has actually come to my notice on my YouTube channel. So many people have been dropping comments, even the ones that have been getting in touch with me on WhatsApp, the ones that have been getting in touch with me on my social media handles, because I have my WhatsApp contact line and my social media handles in this video description below and in any of my video description. You know, they have been asking me, hey Daniel, what is actually the best way to make money online? What is actually the best method, the fastest method, the shortcut method to actually make money online? Well, let me answer to that question. There is no fast way, or there is no shortcut method to actually make money online. If you want to make money online, you must be ready for the work, and you must put out your mind, you must stay focused in order to actually make money online. And that's why I want to share some income ideas that you can actually implement to build a sustainable stream of income for yourself, because building a sustainable stream of income is what will actually earn you money over time. And I believe that's what you want, not something that will pay you today and stop paying you tomorrow. And that's why I want to boil everything down to copywriting and content writing. These two things, or these two passive income ideas, actually channels down to the same direction, because if you're a copywriter, you can as well be a content writer, and if you're a content writer, you can equally be a copywriter. So what exactly is copywriting? Copywriting is basically writing copies or writing text for the sole aim of marketing or advertisement. Copywriters actually write copy for the purpose of, trying to lure people into taking action or buying products. Sometimes copywriters do write ad copies to either lure you to a website to purchase a product, or maybe take you to a landing page or whatsoever. It's actually for the sole aim of advertising, marketing, and whatsoever. But content writing is more deeper. Copywriting actually has a limitation. It has a downside to it. But if you're a content writer, you have a broader ground to explore. You have a wider range to actually explore, and you tend to make the most amount of money. So what is content writing? Content writing is actually sharing information. Content writers is basically writing content for the sole aim of either passing knowledge or teaching or building relationship. As a content writer, what you actually do is write articles mostly. If you're a content writer, I write website articles. Like I recently launched a Quora space where I've been sharing articles on make money online. And if you happen to be a content writer, you need to understand that you have to focus on a specific niche. Just when you hear YouTube content creators talk about niching down, on YouTube we have the make money online niche, we have the YouTube SEO niche, we have the real estate niche, we have the comedy niche, we have the entertainment niche. We have several niches on YouTube, and before you can actually succeed on YouTube, you must be on a specific niche. You must focus on a specific niche. Just like me, I'm on the make money online niche. Same implies to website content creation. So if you're a content writer, you become a website content creator. You create content, most especially for websites. So many people equally take advantage of social media platforms to create content or to write content, like Quora. If you visit Quora, you have an option to actually create a Quora space where you can share content. Just like me, I've been taking advantage of Quora space for some time now, and I've been seeing results from the content I've been publishing on Quora. So if you want to become a content writer, you must take cognizance of publishing a website. You must publish a website if you want to become a successful content writer. So if you think content writing is difficult because if you want to publish content, you must publish content that has at least, let's say, 5,000, 3,000, even 10,000, or people even publish content that is as large or as more as 15,000 words. So how easy it is now for you to actually publish this content? You can take advantage of, AI chatbot tools like the current ChatGPT that just broke out in the online market or in the online space recently. ChatGPT is taking over, and when it comes to content writing, it has actually made content writing a little bit much more easier for content writers to actually write website articles or articles for website content creation. So after launching your website as a content creator, if you want to start making money as a content creator, but before I proceed, let me quickly let you know who is actually talking to you. My name is Daniel Anthony. What I do on YouTube is that I teach people how to make money online, share make money online tips and strategies that will actually help you succeed, build a passive stream of income for yourself, or even build a full-time online business for yourself. So how can you actually become a content writer, and how can you actually make money online as a content writer or make money from content writing? It's very simple. There are numerous ways to actually make money as a content writer. And for those of you that have been asking me what is the easiest way to actually make money online and how can we actually make money online, well, to answer to that question, there are thousands of ways, or there are thousands of methods to actually make money online. It depends on the one that so much interests you, or the one you actually want to focus on, or the one you so much desire and cherish. Just like me, I love YouTube content creation and it's paying me. So if you want to go into content creation, or you want to go into web content creation, or you want to become a content writer, first of all, you must have to launch a website. It's very simple, but people will actually make you think it's difficult to actually launch and manage a website. No, you can go to a website like Udemy, Skillshare, and take courses on how to launch a website, on how to become a web content creator. You can even go to YouTube and watch videos on how to become a website content creator. All you just basically do is share articles on your website. After launching your website, you start sharing articles. And as soon as you start sharing articles, your articles start surfacing on Google search results. I believe you know what Google is, right? Google has over 100 billion monthly visitors. Yeah, the largest site that receives the highest amount of visitors on a monthly basis. That's Google, being followed by YouTube, then maybe Facebook and some other websites out there. If you want to become a content writer, you have to understand that you are now venturing into a platform that receives the largest amount of monthly visitors, over 100 billion monthly visitors. That is Google for you. So it's very simple. After launching your website, you start sharing content, website content. Let's say you are in the Make Money Online niche. You can start sharing Make Money Online related content. You can write content on maybe how to make money online with Instagram, the best digital marketing tools, how to succeed online, how to build a successful stream of income for yourself. So there are a lot of topics you can actually research on and write content on them. You can do your own research. Then you can equally write content, or you can build a health website where you share health related content. You can build a relationship website where you share relationship content. You can even build a tech website where you share tech related content. You can even build a garden website where you share garden or gardening related content. So there are basically different kinds of topics or different kind of niches that you can actually create websites on and share content on them. So if you start sharing content on your website, there are equally ways that you can actually make money from that your website. A lot of ways and a lot of methods that you can actually implement to make money from your website. But take note, you must have to create the website first. And it's very simple to actually create a website. All you just need is a website web hosting, or the WordPress website web hosting, and the website domain, which is actually the website name, like the www, which is the website name. The WordPress web hosting is more like the piece of land where your website sits on. Just the way if you want to build a house, you need to purchase a piece of land. That's the WordPress web hosting. That's where your website actually sits on. Your website can't just sit on thin air. So the web hosting is what actually help you host your website in the cloud space. So you now start publishing your content, sharing ideas. As people are searching on Google, let's say you are on the Make Money Online niche, you now publish a content on how to make money with Instagram. Then maybe you share 10 different ideas on your article, maybe containing about 5,000 to 10,000 words on how to make money on Instagram. Then you publish it on your website. Then Google will start ranking you. Google will start ranking your website. Although it takes a little bit of time for you to start ranking though, but the hard work, they say, actually pays off. It takes time. But as soon as people start searching on Google how to make money online with Instagram, your content will start surfacing. And as your content is surfacing, then your website starts receiving traffic. Then as traffic starts coming in, you start making money. That is, if your website is monetized. Then how can you actually monetize your website and make money from it? You can join ad networks like Astera. You can join ad network like Google Ads. You can join ad network like Ezoic. You can join ad network like Mediavan and the rest of them. There are so many ad networks that you can actually join and monetize your website with. Have you ever visited a website, then you see something like advert, maybe overlay ad or pop-up ad on the website? That website is monetized and the owner of that website is making money. So if you have a website, you can monetize your website ASAP. You can launch your website today and get it monetized today with Atera ad network, which I'm very certain about. Atera monetize even an infant website, a website that is newly launched. Atera will monetize you ASAP. And again, you can equally monetize your website by promoting affiliate content. You can write content on maybe digital marketing tools. If you're in the Make Money Online niche, you can write about digital marketing tools or digital marketing products like the Mangoose digital marketing tool. You can actually visit www.mangoose.com, join their affiliate program, which is free to actually join. Get the affiliate link from there. And they equally have affiliate resources that you can actually make use of. Then write a content about Mangoose. I actually wrote an article about Mangoose and published it on my Quora Space. So I'll be dropping my Quora Space link in this video description below so that you can look at how I actually wrote an article about Mangoose and even embedded my affiliate link in it. You can equally do the same thing on your website. Write an article about Mangoose, publish it on your Make Money Online website. Please take note, you must be on a specific niche. Don't publish Make Money Online related content on health website. It will not go. It will not work. You are going against the rule of content or of website content publishing or of website content creation. Then after you might have published it, embed your affiliate link. As people are searching on Mangoose. Currently, Mangoose is trending. The keyword Mangoose, people are really searching for it. As you are searching for it on Google, your article will equally be surfacing on search results. Then as people start going through, they can start clicking through your affiliate link. As they purchase and buy, you make money on the Mangoose affiliate program. And that aside, you can equally make money by promoting or by collaboration. You can collaborate with brands, companies, and all of that. Write content about their product, promote their product on your website. They pay you for that, and you make money on the site from it. But the most promising way to actually make money as a content creator is by publishing an article on your website and getting your website monetized by any of these ad networks that I listed not quite long, like Atera, Google AdSense, Ezoic, and MediaVamp. So guys, I believe this way I just have to quickly wrap up the video. If you want to make money as a content writer, please go and launch a website. Go and master the art of content writing. Take advantage of ChatGPT, AGI, that's Artificial General Intelligence, that can design or that can construct or generate an article on any topic for you. Even if you need an article of about 5,000 words, 10,000 words, 15,000 words, ChatGPT can actually do that for you. So guys, this I just have to call it a wrap. Until we meet again, see you next time. My name is still Daniel Anthony. Please subscribe, like the video, drop your comments in case there's anything you still want me to talk about. I just have to say bye-bye. I love you all and peace.